Hello, everybody. I'm out here in the wilderness. And whoa, it's creepy.
Brittany, you realize you're allowed to move around. I'll still follow you.
We are here, and we're gonna have fun out here. Whoa, rainbow rocks. Going in the wilderness. Whoa. And we're gonna be finding them. So hello.
But guys, actually this video is gonna be about us watching some wildlife, okay? So let's go explore to this place. Come on, let's go. Be careful so you don't. Be careful. No, we're doing this together.
And well, we're gonna. And you want to see this?
Now let's go explore. See if we can. Ooh, a spider web. Do you see that, guys? So this is what we were planting today. As you can see, it hasn't grown that much since it has been planted. Brittany fell on her butt again. Gotta put that in. I gotta put that in. I'm not taking that out. Okay. So also, this plant, as you can see, is very, very small. So basically, you can predict that it hasn't been that it's been planted not a long time ago, but that is false. It has been planted a long time ago.
And as you see, it's so beautiful but
the leaves are I'd say small, and it has like maybe a few plants that are hairy. Maybe it has a few weeds in it, a few problems. But this here is the main plant.